Hey, Dad. I tried to cook dinner tonight.
Oh, really? What did you make?
Pasta with homemade sauce. Thought I'd impress you.
Impress me? You always do in your own way.
Well, the smoke alarm did go off twice.
That's just the fire department wanting to say hi.
Yeah, I think they're my new neighbors now.
At least you didn't burn the house down like last time.
True. Last time I tried to microwave water and almost flooded the kitchen.
You're a natural disaster in the kitchen.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I'll call the bomb squad next time I cook.
Maybe stick to cereal for now.
Already did. Burnt the cereal too.
Okay, you win the Disaster Olympics.
I'll take gold if there's a medal for kitchen chaos.
Just promise me one thing.
What's that?
No cooking without a fire extinguisher nearby.
Deal. And maybe a firefighter on speed dial.